Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is rounding to the nearest one half. So I have some no's over here to the left. The first no is you should probably know in your mind how to take half of a number, especially a number that's less than 10. For example, half of 1 is 1 half, half of 2 is 1, half of 3 is 1.5, half of 4 is 2, half of 5 is 2.5. That's just the first five, but you really should, in your mind, by this age, know how to take half of a number, especially the numbers from 0 to 10. Secondly, rounding. Okay, rounding is not new to sixth grade. You should also know rounding rules. If the next digit is 5 or above, you give it a shove or you round up. If the next digit is 4 or below, then you just don't go or you round down. Okay. One thing that I do want to talk about is under and overestimating. That's not necessarily new to sixth grade, but that is something that needs to be talked about. So again, our problem wants us to round to the nearest one half. So for example, if our problem was 1/4 plus 2/3, okay? Right now it's hard to compare because we have two different denominators. This denominator is 4, this denominator is 3, so we can't really compare numerators because we have two different denominators. So let's look at what our 0, 1 half, and 1 whole would be for 4. So 0 over 4, 2 over 4, and 4 over 4 are the benchmark fractions of 0, 1 half, and 1 whole. Okay? So then we have thirds. 0 over 3, 1.5 over 3, 3 over 3. These are our benchmarks. 0, 1 half, 1 whole. Okay? So now what we have is 1/4. Now 1/4 is directly in the middle between 0 and 1 half. Okay? Um, then we have 2. 2 over 3 is definitely closer to 1.5 over 3. It's only 0.5 away. So I'm going to kind of underestimate this to 1 half. And because I've underestimated this to 1 half, I mean, it's definitely closer to 1 half. I'm going to choose then to overestimate this to 1 half. Although 1/4, admittedly, is exactly between 0 and 2. Okay. So my overall estimate in my mind will be 1 half plus 1 half, which is 1 whole. So my round to the nearest 1 half, or my estimate to the nearest 1 half, answer would be 1.